So just wanted to show you Clubhouse Kim, a small new network that we've created to help monetize Clubhouse audiences. So the moderators, brands, and so on can better use it. So you can access the app at clubhouse.kim. It's really a web app, so it's a website. And you'll see it looks very similar to the actual Clubhouse, but it has a layer of media built into it. So like, here's an example of some interesting information. There's more you can learn about Clubhouse, what's going on, and so on. And of course, the feed has rooms as well, curated rooms. So one can find something that, one is recommended rather than the absolute deluge that is on Clubhouse. So let's open one of these and see, that it talks about the actual room, and then there's some more stuff down here. But let's open the room itself, and it takes you right back to Clubhouse. So this essentially means that we are sending people back to Clubhouse to attend the actual event and effectively act as sort of a invitation layer. And that's kind of what we are. So how do I create this, and why are there products here? That's actually the reason why someone would use this. So instead of sending, let's say down here, you go back, and let's say we were going to promote something because we, own the group, or we're a brand and we'd like to promote something. Let's find something that's a little bit in the future. So, wow, there's a lot of things going on right now. So very difficult to find something good. But let's say that we are able to find something. So here's an example, perhaps weekly wind down. Perhaps we take this and say we wanted to promote this, right? So normally you would tweet it, share it, that sort of thing. You would send it to people with their calendar invite so they can click on it and join when it's time and so on. But also you could copy the link and of course promote it in your social media, or write about it, or email people, or whatever. What we will do is we will use that link to create something that actually looks like this, where people would come in and they would be able to see what it's about, but also look at the products that people are going to be talking about right here within the invitation to the room, and which you can just click and go to that room right up there. So here we can see these products, which, of course, look beautiful. And not only can you be listening about the products now, but you can actually buy them right here. And not only can you buy them, but you can co-sell them. And what is co-selling? Co-selling means that you'll be able to earn, in this case, up to $16 for every sale that you make happen. And that's $64 right there. $16 is 25%. That's not bad. That's not a traditional, affiliate model at all. This is practically taking a wholesale type model and turning into a bit of a retail model. So what we're able to do here is, even though the platform is making a little bit of money, the platform's making 10%, there's $16 available for anyone to make on this particular product. And how do you make that money? You just share it on every single social media platform out there. And again, you can monetize your audience. And as you bring people into the network by sending them this link, you'll be able to essentially make a little bit of what they make. Because of course, as you know, Awake is a 5% share type network, where whoever you bring into the network gives you 5% of their earnings, and the same thing happens to them. So you can see here, this is a very simple way to bring people into this room. This is the link now that you would share, and what you would post on various places. So how do you create such a link, right? Let's go back to the home page and take one of these. Let's take this one. Say we copy this link, and we come back here. We say, okay, I'm going to promote this. How do I promote it? I'm going to add it here, right? And of course, as you see, we pulled all the default stuff that we could from the actual Clubhouse page, and are able to, create this particular event right here on Clubhouse. You can edit it. You can, make it, read better. You can talk about whatever this is about. It's about entrepreneurship, right? And human beings and so on, right? And so you can do that. You can kind of help people find it. Perhaps there's an actual location that this event is going on, so you can actually make this location aware, and so on. So, and then that's it. You come down here, you can start adding co-sell links. These are actual shop type links that basically point to the co-sell opportunity. And then once you add a number of these, you just press add. And when you do that, you end up with a room that looks like this. And as I said, you'll be able to pop right in. You'll be able to share a link to this and send this off to people. So yeah, I mean, we're basically hijacking in a way the momentum that is already building, but really helping them by allowing them to monetize it and to really grow it and to really be effective in the bottom line. So that's Clubhouse Kim, a cool little hack that we put together, and it's a simple example of what's possible with Awake, which is a network of networks, and we're able to combine two or more networks to create new networks like this one, which, as you saw, is a combination of several key Awake networks and an external network like Clubhouse. So there you have it.